This video demonstrates using Native NX to create a copy of an assembly and all of its components and placing them in a single folder. This can be handy for packaging an assembly to share or just to consolidate an assembly into one folder. So the assembly we'll be looking at is this vehicle assembly here. It doesn't have any geometry in it, but it'll be what we're using to demonstrate this. If I go to Menu, Information, Part, Loaded Parts, we'll see that these files that are in this assembly are in different locations. So that's right now they're all in different locations, and we want to get them all into one folder as one assembly. So I'll close that out, and I'm also going to do File, Close All Parts. Don't have to do that, but I just want to show that you don't have to have the assembly open to do this. So we're going to go to Menu, Assemblies, Cloning, Create Clone Assembly. What we'll do here is first we'll add the assembly we want to clone. So we'll click Add Assembly on the main tab. We'll click the assembly we want to clone, select OK. Next we'll go to Naming. We'll define a naming rule. So this is key. So if we add suffix, we'll just put an individual space into the suffix, select OK. When we clone this, that space will be gone. That just allows us to clone with the same names. And now we choose a location where we want the cloned assembly to go. So I'll click Browse. I'll go to this folder I've pre-created called Cloned Assembly. It's empty right now. I'll select OK. And now if we go back over to the main tab, we can just click Execute. We can click Dry Run and execute if we want, but I'm just going to click Execute. And we'll see once it's done cloning, it'll give us a list telling us what got cloned and where it went to. If I open up that folder where we added it, we can see these part files all exist there now. And just for kind of a verification, what we can also do is if we open that assembly in NX, we'll go to that cloned assembly folder and we'll open the vehicle assembly, which was the top level. We can once again go to the loaded part information, so information, part, loaded parts, and we see that all these files are in the same location, so the references are all pointing to this location, but they all have the original names. So that's how to clone an assembly and put all of its components in the same folder so that you can share it or just consolidate into one location.